Welcome to Major's Institute of Technology. Today's video session we are going to be discuss about a few basic Linux commands. Before getting to the video session, I like to introduce ourselves. We are Major's Institute of Technology. Our website, please do visit our website www.mjit.in for all your IT training related queries. We are there to help you out. And then if you like to write an email, you can write info@mjit.in. You like to WhatsApp us? Yeah, we are available on WhatsApp as well. So 8825410600. Okay. Today's session, just let's quickly jump into the session. Today's basic essential commands in the Linux. Just today I have picked 4 commands, which is touch command, cd command, mkdir and ls command. So what the touch command is going to be perform? The touch command going to be create a 0 size file for you. Okay, this is the one way of creating a file in Linux. And then cd, it will going to be change your present working directory. You can navigate one directory to another directory. In Linux everything is a file and directory. So mkdir, how to create a directory. Ls, how to list a file and directory. S is the option. Just quickly jump into the video and then we'll try it out hands on. Okay, first command I like to, just imagine you are the new to the Linux environment. Okay, so how to create a file? Okay, in Windows you right click and do create a file, and you have to, in Linux in command line, so you use everything is a command. So I'm giving a small advice, or whatever the way you can take it. When you're doing the command line, you should be very careful. Accidentally you are doing the command line, here there is no recycle bin to roll back. Once deleted is deleted. So you have to be very clear about how to use and what to use. So this case I like to create a file. So for that command, touch and then file name, I like to create mjit courses dot txt. So I have created a file name called mjit.txt. So how to check this my file has been created? ls -l. So ls for list, l for long listing. What is my file name? mjit.courses.txt. you can see here 0 size file. Okay, you can notice the time 12:22:13. Okay, clear. How to check date and time in Linux? Command date. So you can see here Wednesday, December 2nd, the time. Okay, Indian time IST 2020. This is how you can find the time. So again I like to clear. Now I like to use tab to completion the command for that touch. So what I did, mjit courses. So I'm not going to be type entire thing, so I use tab. It will be, this is called tab using command continuation. Okay, press enter. So date. So where is my file? See, the file recent time has been going to be update. If the touch command, already the existing file is there, it going to be update the timestamp. Okay, so this is how you can make use of touch command. Okay, what are the commands so far we seen touch command and using typing the command and then using tab completion, then it get the file name. So tab completion we have seen. The third command we are going to be see about changing a directory. So before that changing directory, I like to know my present working directory. For that command pwd, so I'm in /root. Okay, I like to move desktop. Okay, cd /root/desktop. So I'll now edit. See, I'm into desktop directory. This how you can change the directory. Clear? So I want to one step where I have started. cd dot you can hit. See, again I have back to /root. Okay, so cd tilt, it comes to your original user directory. Again pwd. See, you can see root is the right home. I logged in as a root, so it has been showing root. Okay, clear. How to create a directory in Linux? mkdir and then my directory name, new dir ls -n new mkdir is the new directory which we have been seen, so which we have been created. So if you don't understand this, so please do watch our file permission command, so that what is the difference between the directory and file, you can come to know what is the file, what is the directory, how to figure out the files and directories while using ls-l command. Okay, please do watch our videos, like, share, subscribe. It will be motivate to me do more videos. Okay, thank you.